Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of React Native. So today we are going to learn about the range slider demo. So you can see that whenever we press with 0, 1 to 500, so you can take the range of that one. Okay, so you can see that the range is 12 to 67. Okay, so how we are going to make this in the React Native, so we are going to learn in this video. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So you can see that we have a toggle floating, disable range, set minimum to 0. Okay, set minimum to 50. Okay, and you can see that 50 is there, and then set to minimum 0, so it's there. So you can see that minimum is 0, set max to be 100, and set max to be 500. So you can see that. So we are going to implement in this in React Native. So let's see how we are going to implement this one. So for this one, I have installed the package which name is as range slider. So you can see that the range slider toggle floating enable range, which we have already done. So it is npm I r and range slider we are going to use. After using this one, we have a import range slider. Okay, so let's go to the code level. So this is our app.js file, right, where we have a slider screen. If I go and check this one, we have a multiple things over here: slider thumb, slider rail selected, slider notch, label and text button. Okay, after here you can see that we have a use callback thumb, we are passing the name. Okay, and here we have a, you can see that the slider function, we have a minimum, maximum, step, disable range, floating label, render thumb, render rail selected, render label, render lodge on values, on value change. So whenever we have a change of value, we can go and check this one. Is a callback, low and the high value. If I go and check this in the console.log, we will able to get the values over here. So let's console.log the values. So whenever we have a low value, it will show it over here. And let's print the high value also on the same run. So let's save this one and go to the this one. Okay, so you can see that 50 and 83. Let's move to this one. It's 18 and 83. You can see that on this one, 18 and 83. Okay, so here we go with the 18 and 83. Let's move to this one. So 18 and it's 65. So this is how we are able to get the range from this slider, and you can just pass it to the backend and do the rest of the manipulation accordingly, right? So this is how we are able to, rn range slider in the Native. So any doubt, any query in that, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.